Hey folks, Robert here with Currency Waves. I'm going to buzz through the charts quick. I had a busy day, so I'll try to post charts later. But if you're watching this on YouTube, feel free to stop by the site, follow us, Facebook, Twitter, all that good stuff. Aussie yen. Look for that ABC up for 2. With stops above 83.26. I still believe we're coming down below this 80.50 support area. So the only thing I really don't like about this is this right here, but this looks like 3 waves here. I've got a label as a WXY for 2. The only thing that really looks like 5 down is this little leg here, so gonna give it a shot against that 83.26 area. See what happens. Aussie dollar is looking like it's pulling back from that 2 equal legs up pretty good. Stops above 74.70. Looking down. I did change this count up a little bit today. I just didn't like that ending diagonal idea, so I just got A, B, C for W and X, and then A, B wave triangle, C wave down. There is kind of an alternate here too, with rather than this being a triangle that's going to break down, we could have A and then A, B, C, D. We get 3 ways back for E here, and it breaks to the upside. But for now, until it breaks at 74.64, I'm looking lower. Euro Aussie. This 3 legs here is really another one of them things I wish it was 5, but I do believe that we may have to relabel this and just go with 3 being done here. This is our 4, and we're done here, and we're going to see a deeper correction. So you could see a deeper ABC up here, and really the only safeguard on this is 58.90 is going to be the invalidation right now, so just kind of staying away from this one for the time being. Euro pound, like I said the other day, yesterday, last night, I think we need to keep looking higher as long as 88.16 holds on our shorter term time frame. It needs to hold 88.91, but now that we're above that, this doesn't really matter anymore. So we got 1, 2, 1, 2, working on a 3 up. The 161 is up at 9.90. Euro yen, we probably have a 1. I have this labeled as ABC, but I'm thinking it's probably 1, 2, 1. We're going to see 3 waves up into this 50 to 618. I'll be looking for 2 equal legs into that. For another leg down, probably 124. Test that trend line, the 618. Then we'll see if it does the bounce breaks and goes down to the 119 above 131.15. And we've got like an ABC up for W, ABC down, and then we're going to see another C wave up, probably up to 34.75. But until that 31.15 breaks, I'm going to be looking lower. Euro USD. Kind of in the same boat, looking for that triangle to break lower to 31.1344. An alternate count here to keep an eye on, but gee, that this is A, then you got A, B, then you got an A, B, C for C, we get a D and an E, and it breaks to the upside. 1746 is the line in the sand here. Looks like short term we could have 1, 2, 3, 4. Look like it's trying to hit 5 here. I think we might see the fifth wave up into this broken trend line here. 3 wave back, and then 5 more back up into this trend line, or the at least the 618 before lower. Again, 1746 is the line in the sand there. Pound Aussie, you know, I said this morning we lost this RSI divergence, and we have. So I think we have a 1, looking at the RSI, it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. We're going to see a 4, 5, and a 4 and a 5 yet. So I do believe we're going to continue lower. I just don't, I don't think this is the, I don't think it's that aggressive, maybe is what I'm thinking. But we should see probably a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 extended fifth wave for wave 3 into that 618. Maybe it comes down to the 200 yet. Then we see a 4 and the 5, something like that. So this actually be up there. Still looking lower. If that 7392 breaks, which I think it's going to, then I'd be looking at 71, maybe even 69 if it hits the 2 equal legs. This could be swing 8, then we would look for 9, 10, 11 up. A more aggressive view is that this is a 1, 2, and this is starting a third wave, or wave 1 of 3. This B wave could be done right here at 7 swings, and it continues to drop. I think the pound actually is going to, after all this, some of this, I don't know, I don't really watch the news on it, but this Brexit stuff, I've kind of heard some grumbling about it. I think we may see a relief rally after some of that's done on these pound pairs. If we look at the pound yen, looks like we're getting a leading diagonal here, so we should see 3 up after that's complete, which would give us 3 up here. And I don't really know about this ending diagonal. I mean, we still have that divergence going on. When you see divergence, when you see RSI channeling up like this and price channeling down, pretty good chance you have an ending diagonal going on there. I just don't like that we've lost the divergence on some of this. So short term, I still see 1, 2, 3. This is working on a 4 and a 5. One more low yet before this impulse down is complete, which should take us down into this trend line. And we may see a deeper bounce from there, or, you know, like I said, there's no divergence here, so I was trying to figure out where we could have an ending diagonal, but you know, maybe this is 3 here, and you get 4 and 5. 32.11 should hold. If we're going to continue with moving lower back above that, then I think we're going to start that 3-wave correction like we see in the pound, Aussie, pound, yen. CAD, nice bounce there. I do think we have finally bottomed, and we're going to head higher above 33.86 to complete the 7 swing structure higher with 1 swing, 2 swing, 3 swing, 4, 5, 6, 7. Don't know if we're going to get the 2 equal legs at 38.20. That would break this last high here, and I don't think that's going to happen. So I'd be targeting 34.92 area with the 618. For that, we haven't broken above this downtrend line on the RSI yet, but I would imagine it's coming in the next couple of days. This was my clue right here when it broke above these highs on the RSI right there, that little dip above. I thought, yeah, we probably bottomed. Dollar yen, or I'm sorry, Swissy. Here I go, flipping through charts. Looks like we're heading up for that 7th swing, and I would probably go with an A, B, C here, with then an X, then an A, B, C up. Looking for that 1002 to short against 1068. So if that happens, either way, I think this is a leading diagonal A. We're working on B. Whether that starts here, turns around, drops down, or from up here. Looking at the CAD, man, I can't get them straight. Looking at the dollar yen. If the Swiss is going to drop, then this is going to drop. I mean, pretty close to the same swings here. This is the March 26th low here. It's been rallying. Get to the right one. You know, this is February 12th, so it's a couple weeks later. The Swissy started the rally. So, I mean, I guess what I was trying to say is if this is coming down to 26 and this leading diagonal may be out of the question, and we're coming down to 108 here. So short term, we got this 5 waves down. We got a nice spike up, so we may see an ABC line in the sand here is 112.15. So, all right. Hope that helps. Like I said, I'll try to pull some charts later tonight sometime. But until then, thank you much. Thanks for all the tweets, donations, follows, all that stuff. You guys are awesome. Thank you.